In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your table in Excel into a pie chart. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So I have a table here, and to convert it into a pie chart, all I need to do is to tap on Insert, look for the pie chart symbol, which is this, and tap on it. Now here we have different pie charts. We have the 2-dimension, the 3-dimension, and then we have the DAFNAT. So if you hover over each, you can see the type of pie chart that you'll create. So let's choose any. For instance, if I choose this, you can see the pie chart has been inserted, and you can in fact resize it to the size you want. Once it is inserted, you'll see an extra formatting table here of chart designs. So you can go ahead and choose the design that you want. Once you're comfortable with it, tap on it to select. As you can see, all the parameters are added automatically. So that's how you convert your Excel table into a pie chart. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.